Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So I recently unboxed a TAG Heuer. If you have not seen the unboxing or you missed it, the link will be up there right now in the corner. Please check it out. Now let's look at the watch in detail. It comes in this typical TAG Heuer box. Here you can see an instructions manual and an international warranty card. So this instructions manual is for GMT watches and diver watches with caliber 3, 4, 5 and 7. This is a caliber 5 watch. So these are the extra links of the bracelet. I have sized my watch for myself. This was the tag on the bracelet with the watch. Now let's look at the watch. It's on this nice cushion. It is kind of leathery kind of a material. Maybe not genuine leather. Doesn't feel like that, but it has a feel of leather. And this is also nice and soft. Nice box, a really nice box. Although it's not wooden or anything, but it has got weight and quality of the box is very nice. It's a beautiful watch. It has a blue dial, a very dark blue dial, and a blue ceramic bezel. It has got 120 clicks and they are very nice and a very crisp motion. Absolutely spot on. There is no back movement at all to the bezel. Very nice build quality. I love this watch. When I sized this watch, I tried it on my hand and the bracelet is very comfortable. You'll forget you're wearing this watch. It has weight, but it's so comfortable, very comfortable. So signed crown, the Heuer logo, and this is the caliber 5. This is a 300 meter water resistant watch with a screw down crown, hacking and hand winding, automatic watch. So I can just give it some winding and you can see the seconds hand has already started moving. Nice 4 Hz movement. Now I'm seeing the accuracy of this watch for last 3 days and it is plus 3 seconds per day, which is fantastic. This is not a chronometer, but it is well inside COSC certification values. Nice build quality to this watch. The screw down crown is also nice and very secure. So first you unscrew the crown and pull it at the first position. There you can change the date this way and you pull it out to the next position and you can stop the seconds hand, so that is hacking movement. So you can stop it at 12 o'clock and then you can set the watch according to your mobile or any other atomic time. So you can set it exactly at the right time. Just push it in and the seconds hand starts moving. Before you screw it back in, you can always wind the watch. Wind the watch 30 times, any automatic watch. So it gets a full day's worth of energy. Then just push the crown in and screw it in, securing the crown so no water enters the watch. It has got crown guards also for added safety, so you accidentally don't open the crown when you're inside the water. This is a proper diver's watch. If you see the back side, you can see the symbol. That's the Aquaracer symbol for TAG Heuer for a diver's watch. That's the helmet, diving helmet. And the dial is really beautiful. You can see the ribbed dial. There are horizontal lines on it. Beautiful blue dial. The markers and hands are rhodium finished. A very brilliant dial. The ceramic is also very nicely cut and put into place. It has got this nice shape, not the typical round shape of a bezel. I like the shape of this bezel and you can hold it also very well when you want to turn it. Very nice. Some people hate the Cyclops, some people like it. I like it because then you can read the date much clearer. It's a very simple watch, 3 hands with date. I always wanted this watch, but I was confused between the black dial and black ceramic and blue dial with blue ceramic. But I went for the blue because it almost looks black in some lighting conditions. On the hand it has some presence and you can feel it. It looks very nice, and under the sleeve it can go, so it looks very nice in a full sleeve shirt. It does not have much weight and you don't feel the weight at all of this watch. You can wear this for the whole day. This is the 43mm dia version from here to here. You get a 41 also, but I like the 43. I like the bigger watches. This also has the diverse extension this way, and you can wear over a wetsuit, so you get this much additional bracelet. Nice and easy. It has got 3 micro adjustment holes. That is good enough. Perfect watch. It sits perfectly on the hand. It is well balanced. The buckle doesn't come on one side or the other side. It comes perfectly centered, and it's well balanced watch. It's definitely going to look good on a NATO strap and a leather strap. Watch has 2 colored loom. The tips of the hands has green color while the remaining loom is blue. Similarly, the hour markers at 9, 6 and 12, the outer edge is green, remaining is blue. So guys, if you like this watch, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.